Ship engines are the heart of maritime transport, powering everything from massive cargo vessels to luxurious cruise ships. Understanding how these engines work can seem daunting, but it's fascinating once you break it down. At their core, ship engines convert energy into motion. This process begins with fuel, which is burned to create heat. This heat then generates pressure, which ultimately drives the engine's components. The most common types of engines found in ships today include diesel engines, steam turbines, gas turbines, and electric engines. Each type has its own unique characteristics and applications. Let's start with diesel engines. These are the workhorses of the maritime industry, known for their efficiency and reliability. They operate on a four-stroke cycle, which includes intake, compression, power, and exhaust strokes. When fuel is injected into the cylinder, it ignites due to the high pressure, pushing the piston down and creating power. Diesel engines are favored for their fuel efficiency and the ability to run for long periods without needing to refuel. Next, we have steam turbines. These engines use steam generated from boiling water to turn blades connected to a turbine. The steam expands and cools, creating a powerful force that spins the turbine, which is then connected to the ship's propeller. Steam turbines are often used in larger vessels, such as aircraft carriers and cruise ships, due to their ability to produce a significant amount of power. However, they require a boiler and a water source, making them less common in smaller ships. Gas turbines are another fascinating option. They work similarly to jet engines, drawing in air, compressing it, mixing it with fuel, and igniting it to create a high-speed exhaust that spins a turbine. Gas turbines are known for their high power-to-weight ratio and quick acceleration, making them ideal for fast naval vessels and ferries. However, they tend to be less fuel efficient than diesel engines, especially at lower speeds. Finally, we have electric engines, which are becoming increasingly popular in modern shipping. These engines use electricity to power the ship, often sourced from batteries or fuel cells. Electric engines are quieter, produce fewer emissions, and can be more efficient, especially for short-distance travel. As the industry moves towards greener technologies, electric propulsion is likely to play a significant role in the future of shipping. Understanding these different types of ship engines is crucial, as they each have their own advantages and disadvantages depending on the vessel's purpose. The choice of engine impacts not only the ship's performance, but also its environmental footprint. In conclusion, ship engines are complex yet fascinating machines that play a vital role in global trade and travel. By grasping the basic principles of how they work and the various types available, you can appreciate the engineering marvels that keep our oceans bustling with activity.